Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. The Chevy S10 is a popular platform to LS swap, and one of the transmissions that a lot of guys use is a 4L80. The problem with the 4L80 is that it is much longer than the factory transmission that was in the S10s, so the crossmember needs to be offset rearward quite a bit. So that's why we developed our 4L80 crossmember for the S10s from '82 to 2005. This is for the S10 pickups that have the side-mounted mounting position for the crossmember on the passenger side, and it will not work for the S10 Blazers. But as you can see, this crossmember has the appropriate offset rearward for that 4L80, and it also has the exhaust clearance for larger exhaust that you will need with your LS. It's very stout and robust, and it's powder-coated black for durability. So if you want to find out more about crossmembers, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.